After sprinting through the airport, we made it.
Ain't got McDonald's.
It is our second full day in Ireland. We got here yesterday morning, took a nap. Basically just was lazy all day. Watched a movie at the movie theater and then went to bed at like 8. And then we're still pretty tired today, but today's our actual anniversary and we're about to go to dinner. We did some shopping today. We leave Dublin tomorrow to go to more like the countryside of Ireland. So I'm really excited. You're not. Happy 3-year anniversary.
Happy 3 years. Easy 3 years.
Hopefully it is. Goodbye, little room. Okay, we got our rental car. There were a few hiccups in the road, but it honestly worked out for the better. And I just realized I'm wearing the exact same shirt. But it's a travel day, and I want to be warm. Now this American is driving on the other side of the road and the other side of the car for the first time. How do you feel about it?
Nervous.
He's doing a very good job. And we're seeing lots of sheep. So we are currently stopping for gas, and then we're like probably 30 minutes away from our next Airbnb, which is in like the more country side of Ireland. So we spent the last couple days in Dublin. We're excited to see more of like the scenic parts and everything. We're pretty hungry. We haven't eaten today besides like snacks. We stopped at an Aldi and got some groceries earlier to take to our next Airbnb and have like some breakfasts and stuff like that. But yeah. It's so gorgeous. Okay, I want to show how big this tree is, like compared to a human. I feel like you can't even actually tell how big that is, but quite large. Say good morning from the cutest Airbnb ever.
Come on.
We made it to our Airbnb last night. This place is literally the most amazing place I've ever seen in my life. I'm gonna have to show you guys all around outside because it's just incredible. But now this morning we're up. We just had a little breakfast and we're going to make the 3-hour drive to the cliffs of Moher, I think is how you say it. But it's like the iconic cliff spot that it's in Harry Potter and just, oh, my hair, interesting. It's like the most famous spot in Ireland. So we're excited to go there and hopefully get some really cute pictures. I want to get a picture of my bump and yeah, we're excited. Oh. We made it.
Right.
I do have a long way to go still though. It's beautiful. I know, I'm just taking it in. Here we go to the top.
I'm already out of breath.
That's what I was gonna say.
That's a Charlie.
I think this could be you. Okay, we finally made it back. It's 8 p.m.
What?
It's very rainy. Oh gosh, cold day. Okay, this lighting's kind of bad because it's getting kind of dark. But today we just went to that little seaside town. It's called Cobh, I believe, C-O-B-H. And it was raining a lot and it was really cold. So we didn't stay for that long. We just went to a little cafe. I got a coffee and we shared a dessert. And yeah, now we've been back like resting for a little bit. Now we are going to, there's like a little beach that is just like 15 minutes from here. So we're gonna drive there and just see what it's like. Made it.
It's got a different smell.
Literally shivering to death. He's dipping his feet in. Oh my word. Oh, I almost tripped. I see me shaking on the video.